What are proverbs? Proverbs are short, pithy sayings that are used to convey a general truth or moral principle. Proverbs have always been a part of human culture, and they have played an important role in the development of human languages. Proverbs are one way that humans pass on their knowledge, wisdom, and experience to future generations. There are many different types of proverbs, but they all have some features in common. They tend to be short and catchy while being straightforward. You can find proverbs from many different cultures and historical periods as well. Here is a list of 10 proverbs that teach you how to achieve self-development. 1. If you faint in the day of adversity, your strength is small. 2. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 3. A stitch in time saves 9. 4. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. 5. No man is an island. 6. It takes 2 hands to clap. 7. You can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. 8. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. 9. For surely there is a hereafter, and your hope will not be cut off. 10. He who has a generous eye will be blessed, for he gives of his bread to the poor.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.